We are now at the manuscript section of the Kuppuswamy Shastri Research Institute. Our institute has a collection of more than 1500 palm leaf manuscripts which are having different scripts written in Tigalari, Grantha, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam and other Sinhalese manuscripts. These manuscripts are having the subject matter starting from Vedas with Shrauta Sutras and Kavyas and Shaktas, and few of them are in technical literature also. And manuscripts are having different sizes, and these manuscripts have been preserved by us with the help of National Manuscripts Mission, which has some programs to preserve the manuscripts by conducting the seminars and workshops periodically. The manuscripts, some of the manuscripts we shall see now. I will show you some of the manuscripts starting from the small size to the big size. We will start with the small manuscripts. I will show you how these small manuscripts have been written, have been prepared. See how tiny the letters are, and with these small letters, and this manuscript is in Grantha script, and with both the holes on both the sides of the manuscripts, they write carefully, holding the manuscripts like with this thumb, and it is a beautiful way of writing the manuscripts also. It is said that they make a hole here in the nail and keep the stylus here, and they keep on writing by moving the palm leaf like this. Only the palm leaf will move, the thumb will be like that and stylus will be in the same position, just like the old typewriters which we have been using. So, these manuscripts have been written beautifully. In some manuscripts we can find the yantras, the diagrams which are used for the worship of some specific divinities or to carry out some specific purposes. You can see how the letters have been inscribed inside, and these are the specific yantras. And this manuscript is perhaps in Malayalam script and mostly dealing with the Shakta worship. Sometimes we have the black magic manuscripts also, witchcraft and other manuscripts also. And another manuscript is a wonderful manuscript which has been given to us by one scholar from Poland, and this manuscript is in Taiwan script. You can see this is a Buddhist manuscript. Unfortunately, we do not have any scholar to go through the Sinhalese script or the Taiwan script to decipher the content. All we know is that this manuscript deals in Buddhism. And another manuscript you can find which is very old, and it is very difficult to preserve such manuscripts. This again is the Shakta manuscripts. Some of them are astrological manuscripts also. You can see the yantras and the chakras and the diagrams also. There is one more manuscript which combines the Tamil and Grantha script, which is known as Manipravalam manuscript, and this is the Tirupavai manuscript. You can see the Tamil letters here, how beautifully it has been written. So, for each and every line there will be more than 100 letters. Depending on the size of the palm leaf, there will be the lines and the letters. So, the research scholars who copy these manuscripts, they are aware of the number of letters and number of the extent of the manuscripts also. And this is excellent manuscript that is known as in the Manipravalam style, combining Tamil with Grantha script. We have plenty of such manuscripts also, and the research scholar will first copy from the palm leaf manuscripts, and then they will write down in the paper, which is known as transcript form also. So, this is how the manuscript is being preserved, and there are many research scholars who make use of these manuscripts. These manuscripts are digitized now in our library, and it will be soon available on web also. So, once this is being preserved by digitizing these manuscripts, and this digitization is also helpful with regard to the research purposes. so that wherever the letter is not clear, through the computer they can just maximize the letter and they can just decipher the letter and the word, so that will be helpful for them in their research purposes. The Samaveda manuscript, and that is in the Grantha form, preserved by writing in the paper from the palm leaf manuscripts, and this is known as Matanga Leela, dealing with the elephants. You can see the pictures of the various elephants here. This is known as Matanga Leela. It describes the characteristics of various elephants, the specific natures, the salient features of the elephants, and though this book has been printed, this is available, but still the old transcript is being preserved for the research purposes, cataloging and by deciphering these beautiful manuscripts.